How to save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing. Let's jump right into the step. First things first, go to the Snapchat and go to the chats. Now open any of the friends' chat that you want to save without them knowing. So open the chats. For suppose this is the picture that you want to save, swipe to your control center and you have to make sure that flight mode is turned on. Then go ahead and save the photo to your chat or to your camera roll. Now what you need to do is, you want to go back to your home screen, delete the Snapchat from your phone, just hold and tap onto it, tap on remove app, then tap on delete app. After that, what you need to do is, you want to go to your app store and reinstall Snapchat, log into it, and you will be able to save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing. And that is how you do it. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.